Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Fall is in the air, and today's look is inspired by cozy sweaters, pumpkin spice, and beautiful fall leaves. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my festive fall look with e.l.f.'s Putty Primer, pressing it into all of my pores, fine lines, and areas of texture. Next, I applied Dior's Forever Skin Glow Foundation all over my face to even out my skin tone. Highlighter came next. I used Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand on the tops of my cheeks, down the center of my nose, and on the Cupid's bow. I then blended it with my fingers for a radiant glow. Next, I used NARS bronzer to warm up my skin. I brushed it on my cheeks, across my forehead, and made a 3 on the outside of my face. I also brought it down onto my neck for more definition and balance. For eyes, I used Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette and brushed the color Doughboy all over my eyes from lash to brow. For shape and definition, I used See Me Rollin' in the crease and then wrapped it under my eyes. To brighten and add shimmer, I dipped my finger in Love the Bun You're With and swiped it across my lids. By using your finger instead of a brush, you'll get more color payoff. Next, I swiped VELOUR's Lash Liner Hybrid across my upper lash line and then pressed Ardell lashes on top for an easy, wide-awake look. For more tips on VELOUR Lash Liner Hybrid, click on the link below. To finish the eyes, I applied Lancome's Definitional Mascara in black to my lower lashes. To clean up my eye area, I applied NARS concealer under my eyes for a seamless look and to catch any fallout from the shadow. For brows, I filled them in with Lancome's Shaping Pencil. And to finish the look, I lined my lips with Lancome's Lip Pencil in Raisinberry and then filled them in with Lancome's Color Design Lipstick in Fashion Icon. And here's my festive fall look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.